Hi, I'm Yuan and I study animation and visual effects. Back in secondary school, my friend and I were deciding what to do when we graduate. My friend then recommended to me this school, and I decided to check out their Instagram to see what they had to offer. Through that, I found out that I could join the school through early admission exercise, and I decided to try, and I got in successfully. Our school has a great environment to help nurture my skills. For me, I really enjoyed having the live drawing classes as it trained my basics and taught me how important my foundations have to be as an artist. I also have the support of my teachers and friends who are really motivated to grow. I have learned many new software and technical skills while training myself to have a keen eye to look at color, aesthetic, and the overall look of an artwork. I get to have a choice in my course of study, and I can choose which specific subjects or modules that I take during the semester. My favorite module is Rendering 2. Rendering 2 is basically mimicking artificial lights in an empty scene to make it look realistic and natural. After that, we slap on textures onto the objects in this scene to make it look aesthetically pleasing and for it to all come together. The reason why I like Rendering 2 is because it gives me a lot of satisfaction. In a way, it makes me feel relaxed to do Rendering 2 because I like to see the end result of my work. Outside of normal classes, I also participated in other club activities. It was a very fun experience, and at the same time, I learned to be more vocal. We had to play a team game where we had to describe an object without telling the audience what the real object was. It helped to develop my leadership skills and my communication skills. I take part in competitions on top of the modules that I'm studying for this semester. For example, I'm currently taking part in Immersion 2021, where our team expresses our thoughts on how to put total defense into an animation. One of the highlights during my studies would be the Japan Immersion trip. It was an eye-opening experience as we got to visit famous Japanese animation companies like Production IG and Polygon Pictures, which produce many amazing Japanese animation films that we see today. It was a rare opportunity to visit their actual physical office and see their company workflow up close. It was a really inspiring experience that I will never forget. Overall, I can say that it has been a very fun and enriching experience being a student in this school. I am constantly learning and have improved myself a lot. There are many opportunities in the future, and the school has made me realize that it is possible to learn and practice art and animation in Singapore. Don't be afraid to try and achieve your dreams.